Actually,
Go ahead.
I can read this speech. Actually, the mail which I have sent everybody, that was speech was I'm supposed to address over here. But anyway, I thought my people said I will miss few people. So on my behalf, I heard for this speech.
Yeah, sure.
And after that, we are going to have a final toast for SST also. Okay, it is. I believe it is already ready. Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm really sorry if I'm reading the Sanskrit part badly because I'm not good at it.
I
can read the Sanskrit part.
Okay, you can read that.
Sir, please carry on. Yes, sir.
Where it says,
Quiet, quiet.
Sir.
it says,
It's okay.
It's okay, we can hear.
hey, I'm so loud here. You can hear.
Everybody, please carry on.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भु मा ते संगो अस्तु कर्म.
Good. Wow.
Do you know what does that mean?
Something related.
कर्म फल की इच्छा मत कर.
Don't worry about P for P. You will get your salary.
And what else?
And you'll get paid for whatever you are doing.
Keep on picking.
Someday, somewhere you will be getting paid for it, whatever you do.
In a nutshell, everybody knows that what it means.
Keep on
Yeah.
picking chairs. Don't worry for.
Don't worry for postcodes.
Please do worry for postcodes.
We are ready for
Okay, guys,
Sanskrit.
We know how to do our work.
Yeah, your meaning, whatever Rupesh sir read, meaning your freedom is only in the field of action and not in the field of bringing about the fruits of action. Never take yourself as the cause of bringing about a karma phala situation and never resort to a life of inaction. Dear SS Terminators, this year marks the year of our process will retire. So this is my last opportunity to communicate with you through supportive voice as a SST team lead. I have been involved with the SST since its first meeting in September 2004. For me, that moment was a life-changing event. I was privileged to be the first team member of group popularly named SST Terminators. When we embarked upon SST, our fears were that the voices of our inexperience may sound echo. The blessings is that you did hear and began to create the world-class team under the great supervision of Ranga Sir, Prahlad Panya, Ankur Mittal, Sid, and captain of SST Rupesh Mishra and Avinash Chandra. During that tenure, we have seen many palliative programs initiated. Many professionals have developed new knowledge and expertise. And importantly, our organizations have developed standards of practice of employee first.
Yeah, I would like to expose. Thanks to Rupesh sir for this.
We became family. We shared our fretful days, our sleepless nights. We felt your anguish, your pain, your frustrations. We agonized with you. When loved ones were ill. We wept with you when we laid them to rest. But we also loved when you rejoiced. Together we greeted your newborns and with prayer and pride to consecrate to bar and the wedding canopy. We wouldn't believe how wise and talented and responsible adults you became. This cycle was renewed with a new burst of joy and pride and love. It's been an eon of sweet sorrow. Part of us withdrew, others vanished. But you, for whom we endured winter's frost and summer's heat, the agonies of creativity and the advance of years, you became a part of this family. I hope that in your heart I have found a safe haven, closeness and warmth, appreciation and affection. We leave you now, not completely, for though we part, you will never be far from me. We have learned to love you and truly believe that you have taken me into your heart. Isn't that a form of immorality? Is it?
Yes.
Good. Our plans may be interrupted by storms, but God's plan never are. In fact, the storm is a part of His plan. If we don't abandon ship, the winds of God will blow us right where we belong, no matter how, of course, we feel. If I were asked to give what I consider the single most useful bit of advice for all humanity, it would be this. Expect trouble as an inevitable part of life, and when it comes, hold your head high. Look it squarely in the eye and say, I will be bigger than you. You cannot defeat me. Big shots are only little shots who keep shooting. To be successful, we must accept all challenges and come on our way. We can't just accept the ones we like. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you for sharing all your inspirational work. I've been blessed richly by knowing you and working with you in this ministry. For if I had soared with the eagles at all, it was only because you were in the wind beneath my wings. Do not rest yet. This work still has opportunities for improvement and growing the number of programs and improving the scope of outreach of existing programs. Every improvement you make means that you will better serve your life. This life is yours. Take the power to choose what you want to do and do it well. Take the power to love what you want in life and love it honestly. Take the power to walk in the forest and be a part of nature. Take the power to control your own life. No one else can do it for you. Take the power to make your life happy. We will miss you. I know the work of the coalition and your work will continue. You will meet the wonderful new leader very soon. Blessings and peace for all of you. You all are cordially invited to raise the final toast of your peace. Thank you.
Three cheers for SST!
Yes.
So please. Please don't drink. Let's have a final toast for SST. Come on, please carry on.